Hello people, this week I'm ready to break some Seiko mod rules by building this Pearl dial Seiko Marine Master. So welcome to Caliber Works. For this build I will use a Marine Master case with the Cyclops on the date window. It's definitely an eye catcher. First thing I do is placing the movement into the movement holder to double check the date functionality and ensure it's all working fine. I remove some of the dial feet and then file any protruding metal remains to ensure it will perfectly fit into the movement. I have selected these black hands that will turn green in the dark. I mount the hour, minute and seconds hands and ensure they are perfectly fixed to the dial. I have selected these hands because I believe they match perfectly with the superluminova of the bezel ring. By the way, the seconds hand is a shark. It's a Marine Master after all, right? This is cleaned out thoroughly, mounted into the movement, and it fits perfectly. I mount the crown. If you guys want to see this part of the process in a better level of detail, then I suggest you to check out my other videos. This is the GMT bezel insert, fully luminous, that is going to give the watch a nice finish and its stunning presence in the dark. I installed the bezel insert, I use some drops of metal cement and it's done. And it's done. I know what you're thinking. This process involves a few more complex steps. Yes, that's correct. Again, check out my other videos. I just made this video because I wanted to give you a quick glimpse into the build of this watch, which was especially made for a very good friend on his birthday. Do not forget to subscribe and see you on the next build. Cheers!